ang Brooks Boy? Asan na ang Brooks Boy?
Magagaya na.
R1
sila, di ba?
We are united. We are one. We are united. Brooks Boy.
Si Mampas yung sa unahan.
Yan. Wala. Yan na naman tayo.
Now, Honorable Jonathan Z. Labrada, Honorable Hayate B. Nogazan, Honorable Victoriano B. Colili, Honorable Arturo B. Ferraris, Giganong Barangay President, Honorable Georgia Joy O. Ketchum, Indigenous Person Mandatory Representative President, Honorable Narelle
Manager, Ma'am Rianin E. Ligo, Head Coach, Sir Lauren J. B. Ribudo. Once again, nanawigan ng Palawan, ladies and gentlemen, the municipality of Kalayaan. Ate Ito!
Approaching the main grandstand is the host municipality. A round of applause for the Nara Aslay delegation. Allow us to share the brief history of Nara, Palawan. It was on June 29, 1950, when the place turned into civil reservation through Proclamation 190, signed by the late President Elpidio Quirino on October 23, 1950. The Executive Order 355 created the Land Settlement Development Corporation, or LASEDICO, and